I used to chase leads for hours, only to be left with a handful of callbacks. Then I discovered that a single AI agent could double that number in minutes, not days. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps that let a solo founder run an entire sales team for under $200 a month. First, you need a map of your sales journey, every touch point, every handoff. I started by writing down the stages: awareness, interest, qualification, nurture, and close. With that map, I drafted a simple SOP, one line per step, so the agent reads it like a checklist. Next comes the engine. I chose OpenClaw because it turns those markdown instructions into a living chatbot that can pull data, score leads, and send emails. Installing it is a one-line: Docker run -d -name OpenClaw -p 8000:8000 OpenClaw/OpenClaw:\latest. Then you create a folder called My Agent and add a sol.md file that says, "You are a sales assistant. Your job is to qualify inbound leads and book meetings." After that, you wire in your API keys in config.yaml for OpenAI, Gmail, and your CRM. Hit start, and the agent will listen for new form submissions, pull company data, score it, and send a cold email intro if the score passes 70. At first, the agent sometimes missed leads because it didn't remember past conversations. I added a memory.md file that logs the last email time and the score. That tiny memory trick stops the bot from asking the same question twice and saves tokens. Once the first agent was stable, I split the workflow into 5 focused agents: a lead hunter that crawls LinkedIn, a scorer that applies my rule set, an outreach bot that sends the first email, a follow-up scheduler that watches replies, and a CRM sync that keeps records clean. Agents share a tiny event bus, so leads move without race conditions. The hunter emits a lead founder event, the scorer scores it and emits lead scored, the outreach bot emails, the scheduler nudges replies, and the sync writes the score to HubSpot. Tools like OpenClaw Lab made this a lot easier.